Okay, so we'll take one more numerical. Problem number 11, page number 36 from the booklet. A horizontal girder म्हणजे बाळांनो beam of a steel having uniform section is 14 meter long. एक beam आहे of uniform cross section and its length is 14 meter. Simply supported at its ends. Calculate the deflection of this beam at point B and C as shown in figure. AB is equal to 3. AB is equal to 3. AC is equal to BC is equal to 6.5. BC is equal to 6.5 and CD is equal to 4.5. They have provided the loads 12 kilonewton and 8 kilonewton, and we have to determine deflection at point B and C. याच्याबरोबर मी एक ॲडिशनल आन्सर शोधणार आहे. कोणता ॲडिशनल आन्सर शोधणार आहे तुम्ही सांगा? मॅक्सिमम डिफ्लेक्शन. ओके, कारण की तो सगळ्यात अवघड असतो. ओके, सो ॲडिशनल आन्सर दॅट वी आर गोइंग टू सी इज maximum deflection. So we are going to determine deflection at B, deflection at C and maximum deflection of beam. Okay, so to solve this numerical we have to consider one section. कुठे घ्यायचा आहे तो? In the last one. So I'll start from A. So the last will be CD. So I'll take section here at a distance X. Okay, now here we have to calculate reactions at A and D. So RA, RD. So first we will determine the reactions. So for the reaction, consider equilibrium condition of beam. So equilibrium condition of beam. Summation Fy is equal to 0, means all the upward forces is equal to downward forces. So RA plus RD upward forces is equal to downward forces 12 plus 8 means 20. Equation number 1. Then summation of moment about any point means end point is equal to 0. So moment about A is equal to 0. The moment will be, we'll start from here, RD into distance 14. This will bend upward, so sagging. Then 8 into distance 3 plus 6.5 9.5. This will bend downward, so hogging. Then 12 into 3. This will bend downward, so minus. So we'll transfer this on this side, divide by 14, you will get RD. So RD will be equal to, and if you put RD in equation 1, you will get RA. 8. So 8 kilonewton and RA 12 kilonewton. So I'll write here RA is 12 and RD is 8. Okay, now after getting the reactions, we'll start to solve this numerical. So by double integration method, the method is EI d2y by dx square is equal to moment. So we'll write the moment in last section. So write the moment in last section, that is CD. So we have taken one random section XX. Okay, so moment at this XX 12 into distance X. Sagging, hogging. This will bend upward. We have to take this point fixed. So because of this, this will bend upward. So sagging. Then 12 into this distance. 12 into this distance. X minus 3. will be this distance. So x minus 3. Sagging, hogging. This will bend downward, so hogging. Then next 8 into distance, this distance, x minus 9.5. Okay, sagging, hogging. This will bend downward, so hogging. Now we have 3 sections and 3 terms. So the first term is for first section AB, then second for BC, and third for CD. Okay. Now next step, after writing moment, integrate. So integrate with respect to x. Now integrate. EI dy by dx is equal to constant of integration. Now plus 12x square by 2 for AB minus 12x minus 3 square by 2 for BC minus 8x minus 9.5 square divided by 2 for CD. So in this equation, we have to determine C1. So to determine C1, we will have to put boundary condition. Now here, you know where the maximum deflection is? We don't know. म्हणजे आपल्याला dy by dx कुठे शून्य आहे माहीत नाही आहे. So when we don't know, then in that case again integrate. So we'll integrate one more time. ही केस कधी येते माहिती आहे? सिम्पली सपोर्टेड. कॅन्टिलिव्हरला एक माहीत असते आपल्याला. In simply supported we don't know. In that case we have to integrate one more time. So integrate one more time. Integrate with respect to x. So EI integration of dy by dx is y is equal to constant of integration C2 plus now integration of C1 into x plus 6 integration of x square x cube by 3. This is for AB. Then minus 6 x minus 3 cube divided by 3. This is for BC. Minus 8 by 2 is 4. X minus 9.5 cube divided by 3. This is for CD. Okay. This is the equation of slope. This is the equation of deflection. But we don't know the value of C1 and C2. So to determine the C1 and C2, we are going to put boundary condition. Now this is the equation of deflection. So this will be the deflection of this beam. So at both the ends, the deflection will be 0. म्हणजेच x is equal to 0 असताना 0 असणार आहे. And at x is equal to L, deflection will be 0. So we'll put first condition. At x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. हे पुट केल्यावर काय येईल सांगा? C2 equal to 0. बघा 0 is equal to C2 plus 0 मायनस झालं निग्लेक्ट, मायनस झालं निग्लेक्ट. सो C2 is equal to 0. Okay, now put C2 here. Now the C1 is remain. So for that we will put the second boundary condition. So at second boundary condition is at x is equal to whole distance means L, y is equal to 0. L किती आहे सांगा इथं? 14. So at x is equal to L means x is equal to 14, y is equal to 0, because at both the ends the deflection is 0. Now put this condition here. So EIY, y is 0. So EIY is 0 is equal to C2 0 plus C1 into 14 plus 2 into 14 cube minus 2 into 14 minus 3 cube minus 4 by 3 into 14 minus 9.5 cube. Solve all the terms, transfer here and divide by 14, you will get C1. Okay, so the answer of C1 is minus 193.17. So this is your C1 and this is your C2. Now, if I put C1, C2 in this equation, then I will get equation of slope. So, equation of slope will be EI dy by dx is equal to C1 minus 193.17 plus 6x square for AB minus 6x minus 3 square for BC minus 4x minus 9.5 square for CD. So this is your equation of slope. Now I'll write equation of deflection. So EIY will be equal to equation of deflection. EIY equal to C2 0, C1 minus 193.17 into x plus 2x cube. This is for AB minus 2x minus 3 cube. This is for BC minus 4 by 3 x minus 9.5 cube for CD. Equation of slope, equation of deflection. पटकन एक आन्सर काढतो. काय विचारले? डिटरमाइन डिफ्लेक्शन अंडर each load किंवा under the point B and C. So I will determine deflection at B. So deflection at B. आता B ला सांगा x किती आहे? X is equal to at point B. At point B, this x is equal to 3. If the x is equal to 3, then we will have to consider the equation till AB. So I am going to consider the equation till AB only. ह्याच्या पुढे गेला 3 minus 3 0, 3 minus 9.5 minus. So we have to ignore. So you have to take the equation till AB. So EIY will be equal to minus 193.17 into x plus 2 into x cube till AB. मुद्दाम लिहून बोले. Solve this one, divide by EI, you will get y. Y at distance 3. Okay. Minus 525.51 divided by EI. लक्ष द्या रे. Suppose in this numerical, if they provided the value of EI, then here we have to put the value of EI. But load we have taken in kilonewton and distance we have taken in meter. त्यामुळे न्यूटन असेल तर त्याला किलोन्यूटन करा, mm असेल तर त्याला मीटर करा and then put the value. Now असंच हे मी काय केलं? डिफ्लेक्शन ॲट B. If I want deflection at C, then x will be equal to 9.5 and we have to take the equation till BC. हे तुम्ही करायचं आहे. मी काय सॉल्व करणार आहे आता? ॲडिशनल मॅक्सिमम डिफ्लेक्शन. एवढे लिहून घ्या. देन विल गो फॉर द मॅक्सिमम डिफ्लेक्शन. ओके, तुम्ही डिफ्लेक्शन ॲट सी शोधले. ओके, व्हॉट इज द डिफ्लेक्शन ॲट सी? मायनस 669 पॉइंट divided by EI. Okay, now we will determine one more answer, maximum deflection. Now to determine the maximum deflection for simply supported beam, suppose this is the point for the maximum deflection and at this point if I take the slope, then the slope will be 0. बरोबर ना? सिम्पली सपोर्टेडला असते ना. वेन द स्लोप इज 0, द डिफ्लेक्शन विल बी मॅक्सिमम. सो टू डिटरमाइन द पोझिशन ऑफ मॅक्सिमम डिफ्लेक्शन we are going to put dy by dx is 0 in equation of slope. Okay, so write down, to determine maximum deflection, put dy by dx is 0. For maximum deflection, put dy by dx is equal to 0 so that you will get the position. So in this equation of slope, I am going to put dy by dx is equal to 0. So EI into 0 is equal to minus 193.17 plus 6x square. लक्ष द्या, एक गोष्ट फक्त स्किप झाली माझ्याकडनं. फॉर दिस विल हॅव टू कन्सिडर मॅक्सिमम डिफ्लेक्शन इन कुठला तरी एक पोर्शन घ्यायला पाहिजे. तुम्हाला काय वाटते कशामध्ये असला अंदाजे? इन बिटवीन बी सी. इथे लिहितो, कन्सिडर इन बिटवीन बी सी. चेक करूया रे बाळा, थांब. कन्सिडर इन बिटवीन बी सी. सो 193.17 plus 6x square, this is till AB, minus 6 into x minus 3 square till BC. So we have to take the equation till BC because we have considered it is in between BC. आन्सर जर बरोबर आलं, लक्ष द्या रे, इन बिटवीन BC म्हणजे युअर आन्सर शुड बी ग्रेटर दॅन 3 अँड लेस दॅन 9.5. हे 3 आणि हा 9.5 आहे ना, सो इट शुड बी ग्रेटर दॅन 3 अँड लेस दॅन 9.5. ह्याच्यामधलं आन्सर आलं तर कन्सिडर केलेलं बरोबर आहे, अदरवाइज इट इज रॉंग. ओके, सो सॉल्व दिस वन. minus 193.17 plus 6x square minus 6 into x square minus 6x plus 9. So minus 193.17 plus 6x square minus 6x square minus minus plus 36x minus 54. So this 6x square will get cancelled. So transfer 193 on other side. Transfer this 54 on other side is equal to 36x. Solve this one, divide by x. So x will be 193.17 plus 54 divided by 36, 6.86 meter. Now your answer is in between 3 and 9.5. So whatever the consideration we have done here, it is correct. So this is the position of maximum deflection. So I'll write here, this is the position of maximum deflection. लक्ष द्या रे, हे आन्सर 3 आणि 9.5 च्या मध्ये आलं नसतं, देन यू हॅव टू कन्सिडर फॉर नेक्स्ट सेक्शन. मग मी बी सी सोडून काय केलं असता, सी डी आणि पर सॉल्व केला असतं. ओके, त्यात पण आलं नसतं तर काय केलं असतं, ए बी पर सॉल्व केलं असतं. बट नॉर्मली मधला घ्या, बरोबर उत्तर येतं. ओके, नाव सो दिस इज द position where we have maximum deflection. Now put this x is equal to 6.86 in equation of deflection, you will get maximum deflection. So maximum deflection, x is equal to 6.86 meter. So in that equation, EIY equal to minus 193.17 into 6.86 plus 2 into 6.86 square minus 2 into 6.86 minus 3 square till BC, because it is in the section BC. Solve this one, you will get Y max, maximum deflection. हे solve करा, divide by EE, by EI will be your maximum deflection. A small correction, it is 2 into x cube. This is cube. Then x minus 3 cube. Minus 794.51 meter. So the y max will be minus 794.51 divided by EI meter. पेपरमध्ये EI दिला असलं तर पुट करायचा, नसला तर असं ठेवायचं. ओके, कोणाला डाऊट असेल तर विचारा.